In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix recovery mode in Replit Shell. If your Replit Shell is stuck in recovery mode or just not behaving the way it should, this is a simple process you can follow to troubleshoot it. We'll be working directly inside Replit first, and then we'll clear the browser cache, which is often what helps resolve this kind of loading or session issue. Start by going to Replit and signing into your account if needed. Once you're inside the platform, head to the project that's having the problem and open it. Make sure you choose the exact project where the shell is getting stuck, since this helps you confirm you're fixing the right workspace. When the project opens, look near the top of the project interface and click the plus button. This is where you can add or open additional tools inside the workspace. From the menu that appears, click on Shell. Opening the Shell panel lets you check the area where the recovery mode issue is happening so you can verify that this is the part you want to address. If the shell is still showing recovery mode, the next part of the fix happens in your browser settings. In the top right corner of your browser, click the three dots to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This will take you to the browser's configuration page, where you can manage stored data and privacy options. On the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for clearing browsing data, which can remove outdated cached files that sometimes interfere with web apps like Replit. Next, click the option for deleting browsing data. When the Clear Browsing Data window opens, make sure that cached images and files is enabled. This is the important option for this fix, because cached files can sometimes cause Replit to load an older or broken session state. Once that option is selected, go ahead and clear the data. After that, return to Replit and reopen your project if necessary. In many cases, the shell will load normally again once the cached files have been removed. If you don't see the change immediately, give the page a refresh and let the workspace reload fully before checking the shell again. That's all you need to do to fix recovery mode in Replit Shell. It's a quick troubleshooting method, and it's especially useful when the issue is being caused by browser-stored data rather than the project itself.